Hi guys, in this video I'll share a few methods of how you can get FL Studio for free. Like this method is completely legal and 100% working. So how you can get it? Now step one is just go to the FL Studio official website. As you can see, like image-line.com, and once you're at the official website, just go to this section called try for free. And once you click here, as you can see, try FL Studio for free as long as you want. So select your device, either Mac or Windows, click on download now. As you can see the size as well, just simply download it, install it, and after that you will be able to use it in free. And like this is basically kind of, you can say, the trial. So the second method that we are going to discuss is basically for the academic and educational licenses. Like if you are in a school or an institute where you have the free, you can say, the premium subscription, and you have the license or the email to the, you can say, the school, and you will get the this version, educational institutes. As you can see, if you're a student, please skip this section, but this is for the institutes, educational institute. But if you're an individual student, you need to go through distributor and buy, or you can just enter the email address, give your student ID or some other details. After that, they will provide you the FL Studio, which is basically for academic and educational licenses. So these are few methods which you can try and download FL Studio inside your PC or laptop and use it.